Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a cool little DIY that is super trendy, and if you want to hop on some trends like which is super trendy and really going to be in. I've already seen so many girls that I follow on Instagram wearing these, and I'll show you what they are. Basically these little charm necklaces, or like beaded necklaces with clasp, you know, the whole 9 yards. Yeah, so if you want to learn how to make necklaces like these and where to get the supplies and how to go about doing it, just keep watching. Okay, so I'll show you some inspiration pictures of what I want this necklace to look like. I've been seeing these everywhere. Okay, the camera died for like a second, but we're back now. Oh my god, my bangs are like so hard to deal with when they're unstyled. Here, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. These necklaces, I feel like they look kind of ugly. What I'm showing you right now, but I'm gonna try and show you like a picture of them on this vibe. This is cute. Ooh, yeah, that's like a cute. Yeah, she's like wearing the necklaces like that. Like they just look cute. They look cute. Someone wearing them. Like they're just like a little vibe. Yeah, so basically that's a vibe that I'm going for. The little beaded cutie necklaces. Here's the same girl again. Inspo. So basically just beaded, kind of sporadic beading, stuff like that. So I just find these Instagram accounts, and they have like Depop accounts too. So basically just like very different, like each necklace is different. And I'm gonna show you, I got some beads already. I got these all from Joanne Crafts, and now I have to go to Michael's in a little bit to get the string and the clasp so I can finish making the necklaces, and maybe more cute beads if I find more cute beads. But this is what I'm gonna do for now. What's good with my appearance? So the first one, I got these little dice. Are they so cute? So I got these little dice, and the picture made it seem like there would be way less dice in here, but like there's so many. I got this just big bag of assorted beads. So it comes with literally like all types of beads. So they have like heart beads, little clear beads, opaque beads, star beads, flower beads, basketball beads. I'm not gonna use basketball beads, but so beads like that. I got this little chain of butterflies. They're like pink, clear butterflies. So they're really cute. And next I got this chain of fruits. Like look at how cute these little fruits are. So basically they're just little fruit. They come in like a nice assorted variety of fruits. So these ones, which are just hearts, if you can focus. Yep. So they're just like little heart beads. I thought these were cute, and I've been seeing the ones, the hearts, everywhere. So they came on a string like this. Lastly, I got mushrooms. Like look at these little mushrooms. Okay, if you could see the mushrooms, they're so cute. They're like just big like mushrooms. I've seen those everywhere. So yeah, I got all these beads. I just need to get the clasps. I need these, just super glue, necklace wire, these little clasps, this wire cutter. Seems like a lot. I have the beads and these crimp beads. So basically I'm gonna go get those. Yeah, let's see how this goes. We're going to Michael's. Jackson! Jackson, look at the camera. Okay, so we're going to Michael's and we're going to Petco. Don't worry, we're going to Petco too. We're gonna have a little adventure today before we make our necklaces. Maybe we'll make him a matching necklace because he's just so cute. There's a bunch of wires here, but I think I'm just gonna get this string because I want these clasps and I don't want to get a wire cutter to attach it, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. I also got a bunch of pearls because the beads are all 50% off. Oh, there's these. What is it like? Okay. Okay, so I just left Michael's and I'll show you what I got. I didn't get the typical what I anticipated. Jackson, say hi. Okay. So I got these little name beads because they're on sale. They were $1 section. So I got those. And then I got some pearl strands. I got different types of pearls because all the beads were 50% off. And I wanted pearls originally. I don't know why I didn't get them. So I just got a bunch of pearls so I can like mix around the pearls. Then I got this bead landing, like bead string. You can see. I didn't get wire because I don't have a wire cutter and I didn't want to buy a wire cutter. But I also got this other type of bead string. If you can see, it's called Stretch Magic. It's basically the same thing, but I just wanted to see which one worked better because I guess this one's stretchier and that one's less stretchy. So I wanted to see like which would be better. And lastly, I just got some clasps for, what is it? Come on. Some clasps, and I thought these ones were really cute. They were the only kinds that were there. So yeah, so I'm just gonna try and tie the necklace to this clasp and see how it goes. $18 on all of that, which is kind of a lot, but I don't really know what I'm doing yet. So I needed to get it down before we start tutorialing anyone else. I also got these treats for Jackson at Petco. They're blueberry waffles, I think. Yeah, well, they're shaped like little waffles, but they're blueberry flavored. And he really likes blueberry, and he ate one, so I'm assuming that he likes it. He's honestly not that picky, like he'll pretty much eat anything. I'm excited and I'm ready because now we have all the supplies. And look how happy! He's so happy that he went to Petco. Jackson, look how happy you are. Yeah. Oop, zoomed out, but he's so excited that he just went to Petco. So we'll see you at home. Okay, so I laid out all of my materials right on my desk where I'm going to be making them. And the first thing I'm going to do is take my string and I'm going to measure how much I need. I think I'm going to make a choker because I don't really wear long necklaces. Like this is the type I want, like this length. So I'm gonna use the Stretch Magic first. So I'm taking this tape measure and I'm measuring out the length that I want. So first I'm gonna measure my neck. So I'm gonna take this tape measure and just wrap it around. Okay, 13 inches is my neck, and I don't want it to be an exact choker. I want it to be like a little longer. So I'm gonna try 20 inches. And that hits right about there, which I really like. So I'm gonna measure 20 inches of string and a little bit more because I obviously need to be able to tie it. So I did 20 inches. There we go, 20 inches of string. So now that I measured my 20 inches, I'm gonna take one of the toggle clasps that I bought. If you can see, I'm gonna take this gold one because I wear gold jewelry. So I just want the hardware to match. I'm gonna take this side, circle. So I'm gonna take this circle, tie the string within the loop, and I want to make sure that it's very secure. So I'm going to take a lot of the string and tie it around. I'm literally going to tie it like 40 times. No, just not 40, but as many times as I can till I know that it is secured. Oh, I'm using this, by the way, this stretch one, not that one. I'm using Stretch Magic. It seems like it's pretty secure. Here we go. See, I tied it around right there. So when I put this from the other side like that, it's nice and secured. I'm gonna measure out 20 inches. So the 20 inch mark is around right here. And then I'm gonna go an extra 5 or 6 inches. So I'm gonna do 27. Yeah, so I'm going an extra 7 inches just to be careful, to be sure. So I'm gonna cut my string right around 27. I'm gonna use this old box to just put my beads in. Okay, so I made some progress. This is what it's looking like so far. Ooh, it looks cuter on camera. But, so basically, I'm just going very sporadically. I threw all the beads that I wanted to use just in this bucket, and I'm kind of just picking up what random beads I want. So I'll throw some pearls in, some stars, some dice. Like maybe I'll go in with this like pink heart right now, and another pearl. Once in a while I just measure it against my neck and see how much I have left, and I actually enjoy the length of this right now. So I think that I'm done with this particular one. I'm just gonna take the other side of the clasp and weave it through here and just secure it. So make sure like it's all nice and secure. So I'm just snipping off the extra string, just making sure it's nice and secure, and here we go. This is our little necklace. So here's our necklace. This is necklace number 1. You can kind of see the little strings in the back of the clasp, but I just kept it that way just in case it gets loose and I need to tighten it. So yeah, this is my little necklace number 1. I'm gonna make a few more probably. Cute. This is the necklace on. As you can see, it's so cute. I made this red and green one. Same method with this little clasp. And then I have these, this red and green one. Honestly, I might make more because I have 2 clasps left, but I have so many beads. So who knows? Okay, for this one, I did something a little different. I did alternating pearls after each bead. So I did like a little pearl, a bead, a big pearl, a bead, a little pearl, a bead. And I tried to do little beads and then like 1 bigger bead after 2 little ones. I also made this kind of longer, so it's like more of a regular necklace length. But yeah, I really like how this one turned out. I feel like it looks really similar to some that I've seen online. And to tie the knots, I just double, triple knot it on each loop. I'm hoping that like the loop's right here, so I just tie them right onto here, if you could see that right there. I'm hoping that they stay, so I'll give you an update if they do stay or not, or if they break. But that is the necklace. I ended up using literally all of my clasps and making them into necklaces. I honestly want to get more clasps because I have so many beads and I have so much string. I kind of did specialty beads on all of them. So like one of them, like I did a mushroom, I did some fruit on them. This one I made like only red and green. So I thought that was cute, you know, if I have like a little outfit with red and green. And it doesn't look too Christmassy, which is cute. And then this is like the OG, the first one that I made. This one is for a friend, and then this one is also for a friend. And this is mine. Okay guys, so that's it for today's tutorial. I'm gonna do a few more of these. I'm gonna do more tutorials in the future. Things that I feel like, trends that I feel like I wanna hop on, but I don't wanna pay for. Things like this is super easy to make them customizable. But if you don't wanna obviously do it yourself, you can always support a small business on Instagram or Depop or Etsy or wherever. So yeah, if you want some more tutorials, some more fashion content, just stick around. Make sure you subscribe down below. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone.